In attempting to bend the United States Supreme Court to its will, Congress suffered an embarrassing rebuke by the court in the case of City of Boerne versus Flores. But to make sense of what happened in Boerne, we first must understand a prior case called Employment Division versus Smith. In Smith, the state of Oregon denied unemployment benefits to members of a Native American church who lost their jobs after smoking peyote. The church members argued that Oregon's prohibition of peyote violated the Free Exercise Clause of the First Amendment because they had consumed peyote as part of a religious ritual. The United States Supreme Court held that the law prohibiting peyote was constitutional because it was a generally applicable criminal law that governed everyone and didn't target a specific group, race, or religion. Many members of Congress were deeply unhappy with the court's decision in Smith. In response, by a bipartisan majority, Congress passed the Religious Freedom Restoration Act, which prohibited the federal and state governments from substantially burdening a person's free exercise of religion, even if the burden results from a generally applicable law. By targeting laws that are generally applicable, Congress sought to undo the Smith precedent. After the act was passed, a church in Boerne, Texas wanted to build a larger church. The church applied for a building permit, but the city's zoning board denied the request, citing a zoning ordinance that prohibited alteration of historical landmarks. Upset by the denial, the church challenged the zoning ordinance under the Religious Freedom Restoration Act. The district court held the Religious Freedom Restoration Act to be unconstitutional, so the church couldn't rely on it. The Court of Appeals reversed, and the United States Supreme Court granted cert.